Alright, today we're going to take a look at a new Zippo. And today's video is brought to us by Goldfinger, the movie, 1964. I think that's the best James Bond movie so far. And it's also brought to us by Fireball, the cinnamon whiskey, which is not that great to drink, but it's pretty good for stir frying. And it's backed up by Elijah Craig Kentucky Straight Bourbon whiskey, which is pretty good. So let's take a look at this Zippo. And it is a genuine Zippo made in the USA, and it is labeled as a Bond Zippo, and it's made in Bradford, PA. So here is the new one, and it's got the 007 insert, which is semi-collectible. So there is the Zippo with Sean Connery. It's in a nice cherry red. Really good brass shows up on this, the stampings, and that is made in E of 21. I think that's May of 21. Really good stampings on this, made in USA. It's got a steel insert. Pretty good sound, lights up okay. The James Bond lighters are getting to be one of my favorite collectibles. There's probably a dozen of them available right now. A few other ones are, of course, I would get the Goldfinger Zippo. Dr. No. It's one of the first Bond movies. I think that's the second Bond movie. And then there's just a plain old logo, 007 logo. That's a good one. And a really good one is this high polished brass 007 with the brass colored insert. That's a good one. So let's take a look at this. The new 007 Zippo. Let's do a drop test on it. So 007 passes the drop test. Definitely deserves some cowbell. Knuckle bump.